Ellie the Flying Elephant. Once upon a time, in a colorful land full of balloons and giggles, lived a tiny elephant named Ellie. But Ellie was no ordinary elephant. She dreamed of flying. One sunny morning, Ellie climbed into a giant magical gift box wrapped in red and blue. "Today's the day!" she squeaked with excitement. The box began to shake, shimmer, and sparkle. With a whoosh, it soared into the sky like a rocket. Down below, all the animals watched in amazement. "Look at Ellie go!" shouted a zebra with wide eyes. Ellie laughed and spun in the air. Her dream had come true. She was flying, free as the wind. And from that day on, whenever someone felt too small to chase a big dream, they'd look up to the sky, hoping to see Ellie the Flying Elephant twirling among the clouds.